How to pin a chat on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pin a chat on ChatGPT so you never lose track of your favorite conversations. First, open ChatGPT app or go to your web browser and type in chatgpt.com. As of now, there isn't any feature in ChatGPT that allows you to pin your conversations directly, but there are some alternatives that will be equivalent to pinning your chat. First is tap on the two horizontal lines from your top left and select the chat that you want to pin or save for later. And there will be three dots beside that. There will show the option to rename. Rename and keep a star or something that will keep it secluded from the rest of the chats so you can find it easily. Next option is copy the URL of the chat that you want to save and save it on your external app like Docs or Notion. Alternatively, you can upgrade your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus so that you can get the option to favorite or add a star at the beside so you can keep your favorite chats. And that's it. Those are the alternatives that you can do when you want to favorite or want to save some favorite chats. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.